Hi guys, so the next step of optimizing the article is adding subscribe form at the end. So at the bottom of the page I added a little image with arrows pointing down to the text and added call to action, get free business lessons, and a short paragraph explaining what people will get when they subscribe. So I wrote grow your business with free SEO tips, sent right to your inbox, get updates on the latest Google algorithm changes, best hacks to boost your traffic, and how to write irresistible product title. Subscribe now. So this is making a little bit of effort than just putting like subscribe now to our mailing list, because obviously it gives more reasons for people to do that. Right now people need to feel they have a reason to subscribe, to share their email address. They need to know the benefits right away, what they're going to get. So I'm adding it to bottom of each page of the article, and this is the next step.